Her. All right. What? I am. Oh, y'all are so smart.
We're in Decatur, Alabama at Woodmead Elementary School. It is a neighborhood school and all of our students live in this neighborhood. We are 85% free and reduced lunch. It is a Title I school.
Boots. Nice. Next one. Here we go. Boom. Duck.
I chose a title and a non-title because I needed to see the differences in two settings. Did it have the same effects across all of our students in that population in grades K through 2? You have a diverse set of students in both situations. You have students with great needs in both situations and students that are gifted who we don't want to hold back. So trying it in both populations gave me a clear picture of, will this really work for all of our children?
One of the reasons we were looking at Open Court to pilot this year is because in recent years we have not felt like we've had a strong phonics program. My teachers, when we had the opportunity to look at something this year, they were very excited to pilot the Open Court program. And since we started the pilot, it ended in December, but we were very fortunate to be able to continue it for the rest of the year, and my teachers are very, very pleased with it.
Open court reading to me is basically a very structural way of being able to teach a child how to read. It starts off with a skill. It gives you a story with the skill. It helps you to be able to relate to that sound spelling card, the skill. It then builds on to words, which after the words, they build on to sentences, and then we have a book to be able to read it out of. So I feel like it's a very strategic way, and it's also a fun way of learning how to read for children.
We did an initial STAR assessment of every grade level, K through 2 in August. We looked specifically in this early literacy at the phonics piece, the phonemic awareness, and we can see gains of 15 to 30% depending on the classroom and the school. The more consistently you use the program and the way the children learn it and the energy behind it does make a difference in the success of the program.
The decodables are great. We go over those usually whole group in my room first of all. We listen to it on the interactive board, and then we go back through and I have students read individually. We also look for the spelling pattern that we were going over for the week.
The decodables actually puts it in context. So they're able to take the skill, such as today, the O-O, the oo sound. They're able to now read words in sentences with the oo sound.
Ooh. Let's read them fluently. Here we go. Oops.
First, the gains come because of the excitement of the teachers. The energy behind my teachers, the desire to get to the next level and get the next piece has engaged the students. So the fact that they have a consistent piece they're following all the time has built a consistency for our children, a consistency for our teachers.
Phonemic awareness is phenomenal. Children need to be able to sound out a word, take the word apart, be able to listen to the middle sound. That's all included in Open Court. Of course, enjoy the interactive part of it. They're able to see the sound spelling cards on the board. They're able to enjoy, to understand it, to think about it. They see it throughout the year. Our children do not have very much literature at home. They don't have the books, shelves and shelves of books that are on their level. You know, these books are on their level that they can take home and do whatever they wish with.
The professional development piece is vital to them understanding exactly what's expected, feeling comfortable with their trainer to go back and ask questions. We've constantly emailed back and forth with the trainer to make sure that the questions were answered or we had what we needed, and it ensures success of our program.
This is my school. I started here the day it opened as a 4th grader, and I'm finishing up here as an administrator. I want to see my kids succeed. It's important to me. It's important to my teachers because they have to have a certain feeling in their heart for the students to work in a Title I school. I am most optimistic about using Open Court reading and Open Court phonics for our students so that they will be successful. This will help them as they go on through 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grades. If they can read, they can do anything.
And they're saying, jump into the van, right?